I've never used this stuff before. As much as it looks like cocaine, do not snort this. Yo, watch me freeze. It is stupid fucking cold out here. Ugh. It's 1 week from Thanksgiving in November. Tomorrow's supposed to be 45 degrees, so I'm going to come out here and put a finishing coat of Limewash paint over the chode house. I'm hoping to fill all this in with the Limewash is white, or some people will call it whitewash. That's what they used to use back in, like, I don't know, fucking Tom Sawyer or Huck Finn days, I guess. Anyway, I plan on filling this whole thing in white, but not the dome part on the top. Just the foreskin. I'm gonna just fill in this foreskin here. This could use another coat of cement, but it's never gonna get one. I'm done with this fucking thing. I don't care. So I'm gonna just do up the wall and up around that, but not the top dome. So it'll be like a gray top, white everything else. And then I'll probably do in here, I'll do in the arch, and I'll do the inside too, up to that point. And that's it. So here's how you do the mix. For this next step, I'm gonna be using builder's lime, a shaker bottle, a measuring cup, something to hold the lime wash, coffee, water in a wash bucket, paintbrushes, and gloves.
Yuck!
Okay, so I'm just going off a recipe I saw on the internet. It said 8 parts water to 1 part masonry lime. What I'm gonna do is start around 4 parts water and see how thick it is. Because I want this to be as thick as possible, because I really don't want to do more than 2 coats. You know, I don't want to do this another day. I want to make sure I'm fucking done today. So the thicker the better. So I just cut, this is a 12-ounce can, I cut some off. I'm guessing there's probably, I don't know, 9-10 ounces here. It doesn't really matter, it's 1 part. So whatever you use for 1 part as your measurement. I've never done this before. And I thought, instead of mixing it up in a bucket and being all messy, I'm just gonna pour the water in here and then somehow get this in, probably like, I don't know, we'll see what happens. And then just shake it up in here and pour it into something else to paint it. And then you just paint it on with a brush, like anything else. I'm guessing like anything else cement related, you probably add the water first, so that's what I'm gonna do. There's 4 of those. Huh. I've never used this stuff before. As much as it looks like cocaine, do not snort this. Because apparently this is, I don't know what the pH level is, but it's a base, and it will burn your skin if it comes in contact with water. I would get a piece of cardboard, fold it lengthwise into a V, and put the shit on the cardboard, and dump it into here. No idea how I know that little trick for moving one pile of powder into another spot, but that would definitely work better than this. And don't do what I did if you don't have gloves on, because you're just gonna fuck yourself up. I guess if you get this shit on yourself, pour vinegar on it. Hey, you've seen the movie. It seems like it could be way thicker. I'm gonna add another entire scoop of that to it. This already seems thicker. It's probably good. Again, I've never worked with this. I have no idea what I'm doing, so this might not work at all. So yeah, fuck that. I'm gonna say half and half with these. I know you can't really see what's going on here, but I'm doing this downwind so it doesn't kick poison back into my eyes and burn my face off. This is like pancake batter. That's kind of what I'm looking for here, hopefully. Yep. Hell yeah. Oh shit. So the final mix was an even amount of whatever your mix was, 4 and 4. That's what I ended up doing, and I pretty much filled this jug. As I'm going, anything I get on these bottles, I'm gonna try and get off like right away so it doesn't dry out. That's pretty much it, man. My hands are cold already, so I'm probably gonna get some real gloves to put on over top of these, and then I'm just gonna paint. Check in a little. That's what we're putting on, and I'm just kind of painting the water in spots that I didn't wet, and it's way easier. Because if not, this sponge is like dripping down my arm and shit. It's too cold for that. It's alright if you go over to wash, because it's gonna take 2 coats to do this thing anyway, you know? That's how I'm wetting the areas before I paint it. Alright, so I got this far off one mix. So I got there, I did the inside of this arch. And then I hit over here. Up to about that point. I figure probably mix up another 3 or 4 batches for the outside here. Probably 4 because I want to do around that ring too. And then maybe another 3 for the inside. I probably won't even get to the inside today. Who knows? Kind of running out of daylight here. But I think I got another week or so of weather in the 40s and 50s. It's not nearly as cold now as when I fucking started this. That shit was rough. So it should be good. Where are the fucking eye things? Look at me. See all this white shit? That was liquid at one point, and then it just dried on me. This shit's a mess. So cover as much of your skin as you possibly can. Yo, look at my stupid face. This shit is a mess. I'm getting there. That's 1 coat on the front here, 2 towards the sides. I'm gonna try and finish that up quick before I run out of light, and I'll watch me build. Watch me build. It's 3 days since I put this lime wash on. Let me show you how far I got. It definitely adhered. It rained once, and it's on, you know? So, I don't know. It's alright. There's a ton of fucking brush bristles in it. But I gotta do the inside today. I ran out of light the other day with this. You can see a definite line where I stopped. I should get this done today. Alright, I'm done. completely finished. Or whatever I'm gonna do with it. Anyway, I always say that and then I'll find something else, but I really think that's it. I'm done. I'm done. Completely colored in. You see some spots where like it looks darker. When that dries, that'll be fine, I think. If not, then I'll do another layer, but I don't think it's gonna matter because that's kind of how this outside looked the other day. Because I think those are just spots that are like storing more moisture, but when it dries out, you see how this is all kind of like an even coat here. I think that's how that's gonna end up being. But yeah, it took me, let's see, it's 4:12. Yeah, I probably started 12:30 to 1 maybe, so not that bad, I guess. That's it, man. Done with this thing. Because I'm fucking trying to, like, I'm shanking you, like I want to shank you. There's no way I'm using that in a video.